Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Gede Satria Narendra. I want to share with you about my experience in participating in judo combat sport, both joys and sorrows. I have been a judo athlete since five 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 class in junior school of elementary school. Before from to second grade to 5th grade junior high school, I participated in sport karate. I practice karate from for about 3 years, and in karate I have got a brown belt. In this karate sport, I cannot be called an athlete because I have never competed. Karate was held at my school for extracurricular purpose only, not for competition, except for participating in karate clubs outside of school. That became my reason for switching to judo. Yes, because it's realistic, just playing exam fees and leveling up. I never competed there. I feel lost. Pay a lot but have no achievement. So since then I decided to take judo training at the Bali Police Dojo. Trained by my cousin directly. Why I am interested in judo and not other sport? Because judo has something to do with the police. Judo is a mandatory martial art in the police, and I am determined to increase my achievement so that it is easier to apply to the police, and can also be used to find school in the field of achievement, and it is proven. Since I finished elementary school, I entered school with judo track, and since that time I start participating judo. That was in early 2014. At first, I was little forced to practice judo by both parents. Yes, because children at that age still have fun playing. There sometimes I envy friend my age because every after school in the afternoon then play. I have to practice judo until 7 p.m. There I feel I cannot play time. I trained for 6 months for my first match. My first match was when there was a regional championship which took place at Gorong Ngurah Rai Denpasar. I competed in the weight class under 35 kilogram men's age group under 13. In the match, I lost in the first match. Then the match In April, I took part in the Porjar Denpasar, representing in the city of West Denpasar, with the same weight class, namely the men's under 35 class. In that Porjar match, I was again, because my opponent was already proficient and had started participating judo earlier. It was the last game my father watched was because in November 240 my father was passed away. In 2015 I competed again. Still same event, namely the regional championship. This match was held in January at the Gor Semarapura, Kabupaten Klungkung. In this match, I competed in the men's under 41 weight class. In this match, I lost in the semi-final and lost again in the third bronze medal. So I competed 2 times, won and lost 2 times, better than before. The first party had just lost. The next match was still in the same year, 2015. Oh, Wali Kota Cup. Match was held at Gor Ngurah Rai Denpasar. In this match, I competed in the men's under 41 kg weight class. In this match, I won second place, got 3 opponents, 4 include me. I played 2 wins and 1 loss in this match. The next match was Porjar Denpasar in April. I represented West Denpasar and lost again in this match. And this was also the last game my mother watched, because in June 2015 my mother passed away. I was devastated, but life had to go on and dream had to come true. In 2016, I was in junior high school here. As I said before, entered junior high school with a judo achievement pad. This year opened with the regional championship or kejuaraan daerah in February at Gor Gunung Agung, Amlapura, Kabupaten Karangasem. In this match, I finally won first place. In this match, I competed at the men's under 55 kg weight class. I have mixed feeling, happy because the champion and sad because my parents can suddenly see me in the champion. After that, participate in the selection for the Kejuaraan Nasional Kartika Cup in Ciletu, West Java of of 13 and 16 years because I was already 13 years old. In this selection, I lost because only one was chosen to represent Bali. In 2017, in February, and I competed again in the regional championship or kejuaraan daerah at Gor Ngurah Rai Denpasar. In this match, I competed in the men's under 16 men's 60 kilogram class. This time I represent Denpasar City because in the previous regional championship I only represent the club. I got third place in this match. I competed 5 times and experienced one defeat. In the semi-final, next match in March 2017, come back one first place in this match, and I'm still counting. In the same weight class, which is under 60 kilogram. I swept 4 win streak in this match, and after the Wali Kota Cup, I took part in Bali Open International Judo Championship. In July, this match was of international standard. In this match, I competed in the same weight class, namely under 60 kilogram men's. This was my first international match. I got foreigners previously only sparring with athletes from Japan and France who visit in Bali. I managed to beat judoka from Singapore and India, but I lost in the final against athletes from East Java. I finally won second place in this match. The next match was Porjar. I won second place, the same as the previous year. Then in 2018, the kejuaraan daerah took place in Denpasar in January. In this match, I won first place. I competed in the men's under 60 kilogram weight class. I swept 4 win streak in this match. Then in March, it was continued with the Wali Kota Cup and won first place again. I competed in the same class, namely men's under 16 kilogram weight class. After that, I was continue with the Porjar match in April and always won second place at the time of Porjar. In 2019, this was the busiest year I competed, opening with the kejuaraan daerah. In January, located in Denpasar. This year, I have switched the men's under 66 weight class and have competed at the senior level. In this match, I won second place after loss in the final. Then continued with the Walikota Cup in February and got second place again after loss in the final. After Walikota Cup, Porjar Denpasar to 2019. In March, I won first place representing SMA Negeri 4 Denpasar and won the Best Male Athlete Awards in Denpasar. After Porjar Denpasar, followed by Porjar Bali representing Denpasar, I competed men's under 66 kg weight class and won second place. When this match coincided in the elephant grade promotion exam at time. After that, in August, and I competed in the Kartika Cup, kejuaraan nasional Kartika Cup, which was held in Jogja. I did not win at the national championship. And after coming from Jogja, this is my disappointment because as I was promised at world competition at the Porprov Tabanan 2019 in September. But I was just replaced without any notification, even though previously I had sacrificed time for training and divided it up for school. At that time, I was in school, must arrive late for training and left early for training again. But after that, I won the selection to represent Bali in the Popnas Jakarta 2019 match. In this match, I won third place after losing in the semi-final and winning the struggle for bronze medal. In 2020, I only competed once, namely Walikota Cup, which was held at the lapangan Kompiang Sujana. This time, I went up to weight class. I competed in the men's under 73 kg weight class and I managed to get first place in this match. After that, were no problem what's due to corona pandemic that hit. This is when I put judogi, and here some the medals I've won. This is when I put on judogi, and here are some medal I have won. Thank you for watching. See you